In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the ExifInjector Audio Metadata Editor to read, edit, or remove metadata from your audio files. Audio files can contain hidden metadata like title, artist, album, year, genre, copyright, comments, descriptions, and technical information. This is useful for organization, publishing, licensing, and cleaner file management. First, open the Audio Metadata Editor. You can upload MP3, FLAC, M4A, WAV, OGG, or OPUS files up to 500 megabytes each. Click Upload Audio or drag and drop your audio file into the upload area. After upload, the file appears on the left with its format, file size, and file name. Now go to the Read tab and click Read Metadata. The tool will extract all available audio metadata tags, including ID3, Vorbis, technical tags, file information, and other embedded fields. Next, open the Write/Edit tab. Here, you can update important fields like title, artist, album, year, genre, track number, composer, copyright, comment, and description. You can also save reusable metadata templates, which is helpful if you manage podcasts, music libraries, audio courses, or multiple files with similar information. If you want a clean audio file, open the Remove tab and click Remove All Metadata. The audio itself stays untouched, only the metadata tags are stripped. Try ExifInjector Audio Metadata Editor today to read, clean, and optimize your audio metadata in one simple workflow.